Installing the iStunt exhaust for my Honda Grom. Start off by removing the 2 bolts holding the exhaust at the motor. Then remove the bolt holding the mid-pipe behind the foot peg. It's better you leave this bolt in loosely screwed, otherwise the whole exhaust will drop in the next step, as you will see. Then remove the bolt holding the muffler to the rear swing arm. Side-by-side comparison of the OEM exhaust and the iStunt exhaust. For installing the new iStunt exhaust, I started with the 2 bolts at the motor and loosely tightened the mid-pipe bolt to get it aligned. Once the exhaust was loosely in place, I tightened everything down. Next, slip on the exhaust tip. Make sure it is oriented in the correct direction. You will then use the supplied springs to clamp the exhaust tip into place. To finalize the installation process, use the provided ring clamp and mount it back to the rear swing arm using the factory bolts. Before starting the Grom, you will need to reset your ECU so the bike doesn't run lean and throw a check engine light. To do so, remove the seat and find this red connector on the right side of the bike. Using a paperclip, jump the 2 outermost pins on the connector like so. Now, you will need to turn off the kill switch, twist the throttle to be wide open throttle, and then turn the key to the on position. The check engine light on the odometer will start flashing rapidly, showing that the ECU reset process has started. Once the check engine light has slowed down and flashing, you will need to turn the key to the off position. The ECU has now been reset. Start the bike and let it idle for 3 to 5 minutes. Now onto some exhaust sound comparison between the factory exhaust and the iStunt exhaust.